How to refund a customer in QuickBooks Online. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can refund a customer in QuickBooks Online. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open QuickBooks Online. Over here, go to the top left and select New, then select Refund Receipt. After that, choose the customer you want to refund. If the customer is already in QuickBooks, their address will appear automatically. If you can't find the customer, add them by selecting Add Customer. Then you can add tags and select the payment method, such as cash. You can also add a new account if needed. Over here, add the product or service being refunded. For example, you can enter weekly gardening service if that was the refunded service. Enter the quantity, rate, and subtotal. You can also add a discount if applicable. After that, select the account you are refunding from, like checking. You can view the balance and add a check number if needed. Over here, you can also add notes or additional details about the refund. Once everything is complete, go to the bottom right and choose one of the options. Save and New, Save and Close, or Save and Send. You can also print the refund receipt, review it, or set it up as recurring. If needed, you can order checks. On the bottom left, there are options to clear or cancel the refund process. So that's how you can refund a customer in QuickBooks Online. That's all for this video.